Okay, welcome to unboxing video. We are doing, look at this, it's the video capturing card, and it can be used for recording the videos from your hardware device. And as you can see, it is the manual. It's shit. And it's the cables, which are very heavy, but they come in a zip bag, and you can do things with them. They serve various purposes, such as the ability to connect your device to monitor device to card audio. The fuck is this shit? And also the interface cable, which is used for the Matrox Millennium AGP card. It connects to the Matrox Capture PCI device, which you can use to reduce the PCI bus bandwidth usage in order to improve the performance of your computing power. Adobe Premiere is in a bag. We think that shrink wrap is pretentious and artificially inflates the value of goods over the course of 20 years. Congratulations on purchasing Adobe Premiere. Congratulations. Keyboard. Adobe's going out of business in a few moments. So why would you want to get a keyboard like that? Adobe Premiere. Let me make sure. I don't want to show the key. What's this compatible with? Can I use this with Windows 95? Probably not, because planned obsolescence. ULED Cool 3D. Doesn't this package contain lead? It's unhealthy. I don't like lead, especially when you have to handle lead cords like this abomination. Ow. And register today, register today, register today, register today. And now, a big box. This looks like it was made for an iMac. And something is rattling in there. I don't know what it is. It could be someone's mechanical pencil lead. Whenever doing pretentious doodles in school. Guess there's ports for SPDIF and antenna cable, but this doesn't have them. Just composite stereo and Marvel cable. Oh, I hate Marvel. And I hate DC too. And I hate AC/DC. So this is the video card. It's